Aloe vera is one of the most important ingredients in skincare. That's why today I decided to show you how can you safely make your own aloe vera gel at home for under $3. Aloe vera plant grows in the desert, surviving extreme heat and dehydration. Thanks to the incredible gel inside it that keeps it hydrated from within. That same gel we are going to use today is packed with hydration. It soothes irritation, supports healthy skin, hair, and scalp all naturally. Inside the aloe vera, there's a yellow substance. Some call it a poisonous substance. It's a laxative. We really need to get rid of this substance before using anything inside the aloe vera. So make sure you follow the steps. I'm placing a picture for what you need to start this process. So I washed my aloe vera leaf and then I'm gonna start cutting my aloe vera plant from this area. Just right from behind the green area here. I'm gonna cut it like that. Let's start squeezing this yellow juice down in the aloe vera so it can all drop down from it. You're gonna see that it's going to get a yellow substance from it. It's gonna drop and fall down from it. This substance we don't want to use. There is a poisonous substance, you don't want to use it, you don't want it in your skincare product. We want to get rid of all of this yellow laxative substance. Okay, now I'm gonna take this board and wash it very well and wash my aloe vera too and make sure that there is no yellow substance on the board or on my aloe vera plant. I washed it and I washed my board. I'm very careful that there's no any yellow substances remaining on my board too. Now we're going to start cutting the edges of the aloe vera. There we go, so it will not be sharp on my hands when I hold it too. So you got the edges. You got the edges here too. Okay, the edges here. Now to the most beautiful part, we're gonna cut the aloe vera into halves so we can reveal the incredible gel that we are going to use in our skincare product. Just be careful not to cut yourself. Do it like that. Do it like that. Wow, look at that. Look at that fresh aloe vera. Wow. Look at that fresh aloe vera. And this one too. Okay, here we go. Okay. Now we're going to get our plate and we try to scoop it in it. Get your beautiful aloe vera and we try to scoop it in. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness, look at that. How beautiful this is. All of these, the aloe vera gel that we are going to use. Wow, look at that. Okay, here we go. You can do it by the knife. I like to do it by the spoon so I can take it all. Okay, here we go. Okay. Yeah, some too. Okay, here we go. Oh, this one longer. Look at that. Oh, how beautiful this is. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Oh, here we go. Here we go, I'm gonna move it to a bigger one. Look at that, look how much came out from one plant. That's amazing. You can see that. I have my hand blender and I'm going to start blending it. Okay, at this point, before using my aloe vera, I need to make sure also that it's clean enough to use. So I'm gonna pour it into another, I'm gonna strain it into another container here. So it would take anything that is not supposed to have. Yeah. Okay, here we go. You can start using it as is, and some people like to enhance it with different kinds of oils to add to its benefits. I like to add a little bit, some drops of the jojoba oil. It's a cold pressed one. Sometimes a few drops of vitamin E, anti-inflammatory, argan oil if I'm using it for my scalp and hair. So there's a lot of benefits. Some people use honey as well. It's just up to you. Now we're gonna pour it into an ice cubes, and we're going to freeze it. We're gonna have a ready aloe vera gel for our skin, for our scalp and hair. You can also use 1 cube in your smoothie to help you in your digestive system, soothe irritation and inflammation. You can keep it in the fridge for 2 to 3 days, and you can use it fresh, or you can freeze it up to 2 to 3 months. Now you have such a powerful ingredient to use for your skin, your scalp, your hair. Some people put it in their smoothie in the morning. Just remember to remove the yellow latex first. Nature heals best when respected.